Our customers learn about our product and business in a ton of different ways, be it through our website to request a demo, our blog to download an ebook, or by attending webinars or meeting us at events. Some leads are hotter than others because they're expressing more interest in learning more about your product, and you want to reach out to those hot leads as soon as possible. For example, a lead requesting a demo on your website is probably a hotter lead than someone downloading an infographic from your blog or coming by your event booth just for swag. You'd want to get back to that request for demo lead as soon as possible, within minutes, since your product and business are still fresh on their mind. But when leads are coming in from all directions, how can sales reps prioritize them and be equipped with the information they need, like the lead's role, company, industry, and any prior touchpoints with your company, to have meaningful conversations? This is where Leadbot comes in. Leadbot prioritizes, researches, and enriches your leads for your sales team and delivers them in real time to Slack. Let's take a look at how this works. So let's say I'm someone who wants to learn more about Workato. On the homepage, I'll click on the Request a Demo button, type in my name, work email, let's say I work for a company named Blue Energy, and I explain what I'm looking for. I'll hit the button at the bottom, and then over in Slack, in real time, one of our sales reps will receive this lead. Right off the bat, you can see that this is a hot lead for us, as indicated by these fire emojis. This is based off of a hotness criteria that we've defined for our company. A demo request with 100 or more employees at this lead's company, with the use case field filled out. The sales rep can hit Show More to expand the fields to learn more about the lead. This is where Leadbot brings the enriched lead data from sources like Salesforce and Clearbit. The sales rep can see who the company is, how many employees they have, who the person is, and their app stack. They can see all of this information in a single space within seconds of the lead coming in. The sales rep can use all of this information to decide whether to accept or disqualify a lead. Let's say the lead was fake, or it was someone who was interviewing with us. We could disqualify the lead right in Slack. Slack would disqualify that lead straight in Salesforce, and the sales rep doesn't have to touch Salesforce at all. If a lead comes in from APAC during US work hours, the sales rep can actually reassign it to the right reps in APAC, and when the APAC team logs on during their work hours, they would receive the lead. If a lead comes in and there is an existing opportunity or an account, we have the option to route the lead directly to the account executive and provide them with all the details around the lead, like their past activity. If the lead is a low fit, let's say it's a lead from a small or medium-sized business where it doesn't exactly fit with our hotness criteria and isn't really our sweet spot, we can categorize this lead as low fit, and that would automatically tag them to a nurture sequence and outreach. When leads come in and sales reps are not at their desk or are in a meeting, they would get leads that they could not respond to until a couple hours later. With Leadbot, reps can hit Start Accepting Leads when they're online and available to respond quickly to leads that come in. Similarly, they can hit Stop Accepting Leads when it's the end of their workday or they are unable to work on leads, and leads will stop being routed to them. Leadbot automatically takes reps off the queue or adds them to the queue depending on their availability. With Leadbot, our reps experience a 5x increase in meetings booked, have longer, more meaningful conversations, and can effectively help more customers. This is only one of the thousands of ways we use automation here at Workato to solve everyday business problems. Discover how you can use the power of automation to improve experiences for your customers, employees, and everyone in between. Request a demo today at workato.com/leadbot.